A man sued an airline company after it lost his luggage. Sadly, he lost his case. Did you guys understand this joke?
Yes, definitely.
In this video, I'm gonna be telling you 5 jokes so you can assess your fluency. Of course, the more jokes you understand, the more fluent you are. And so, let's get into it. A man decided to change his name from Herbert to Justin. After a few weeks, his friend asked him what it was like to make a change as an adult. The man replied, "At first it was strange not using my old name, but I'm a Justin."
Why are you gay? You are gay.
As we understand, the person here says that he's adjusting, he's becoming more comfortable with his new name, but also he says that he is a Justin. His new name is Justin. Okay, let's move on to another one. My boss said to me today, "You are the worst train driver ever. How many trains have you derailed so far?" I told him, "It's hard to keep track." So we actually have some interesting vocabulary in this particular joke. For example, the train has been derailed means the train has come off the train tracks. It's no longer on the train tracks. But the joke is actually in another phrase, which is keep track.
What do you mean by that?
To keep track means to pay attention where something is. For example, I'm keeping track of my English vocabulary. So the person in this joke says that it's very, very hard to pay attention to how many trains he has derailed. We also have the literal meaning of this phrase, keep track. Okay, let's get to another joke. 8 vowels, 11 consonants, an exclamation mark, and a comma appeared in court today. They are due to be sentenced next week.
Oh, brother.
All these things, they form a sentence. But also we have a phrase to be sentenced. To be sentenced is when the judge tells you what your punishment is after you've been found guilty or breaking a law. And so let's hear our last joke. 3 men are on a boat. They have 4 cigarettes, but no lighter. So they throw 1 cigarette overboard and the entire boat becomes a cigarette lighter. Yeah, I agree, it's not funny at all. So a cigarette lighter is a small device that makes a flame. Here it is actually. Here's a cigarette lighter. Because 1 cigarette went overboard, the boat is actually lighter right now. It weighs less than it was. So the weight of the boat has changed and right now it is 1 cigarette lighter.
Yeah, Mr. White. Yes, science.
This is it, guys. This has been my video. If you like it, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. There will be a lot of videos like that very, very soon. And so I'll see you in the next one.